following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Windsor Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elgin to near Joliet, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Wilmette Harbor, First Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. The National Weather Service in Chicago